sun where kindness grows. Strangers wave like long-lost friends. Every hello softly bends. From market laps to village tea, open hearts come naturally. No heavy words, no guarded door, just warmth you feel forevermore. We don't ask where you've been or how much you hold inside. We see the human, not the skin, with arms open wide. Cambodian is most friendly in the world, a smile that shines like Angkor gold. Hands together, hearts unfurled, kindness deeper than we're told. From city lights to rice field land, your family wants to understand. Cambodian is most friendly in the world. Rainy nights and sunny days, we share our rights, we share our ways. Even when the road is hard, hope is never locked or barred. We've known loss, we've learned to care. Healing taught us how to share. From broken past to present grace, love still lives in every face. We bow with respect and peace, not just custom, not a show. It's the language of belief, a truth we've always known. Cambodian is most friendly in the world, where compassion's never sold. Gentle folks, strong hearts of gold. If you're lost, we'll take your hand, guide you through this sacred land. Cambodian is most friendly in the world. Come as you are, no need to hide. Different paths, same human life. When the world feels cold or torn, here you'll feel reborn. Cambodian is most friendly in the world, not just words, it's how we live. Every smile freely give, more than we receive we give. From ancient stone to neon street, every heart you'll ever need. Cambodian is most friendly in the world. Chloe sings soft as evening falls, kindness echoes through our walls. If you leave one